This is the story of the penguin. The penguin that all he wanted was to have a doggy friend. Hello, doggy. Will you be my friend? Will you be my friend? Ow! Ow! Oh my God! Don't destroy me! Oh no! My head! No! Let go! Oh my God! Give me back, Penguin! Give me Penguin! Cassie, stop! I bet. Ow! I'm dying! Let go! You're so strong! You're so strong! Let go! Go, Casita! He abused me. Look at my nose. All I wanted to do was be his friend. And then all he did was attack me. I just said hello. Let me try again. Ow! Get him! Get him! Here's another toy. Here's another toy. Come on, Casio. Come on. Come on. Save the penguin. Save the penguin. I'm okay. I'm okay. Oh no. No. Not again. Let go of me. Let go. I'm not pulling hard. This dog's pulling down hard. You win, Casito. Destroy that penguin. Destroy the penguin. Destroy the world. You silly little doggy. You silly little puppy dog. You need help. You need Jesus. Stop destroying it. Goodbye.